Hello everyone. Today we are with Think Green EBS Book of Class 5. Today we shall study chapter 13, The Northern Plains. Let us know about this. In this we shall study about location and importance of the Northern Plains, different basin of Northern Plains and their importance. The Northern Plains are located to the south of the Himalayas. They are also known as the Northern Fertile Plains and the Indo-Gangetic Plains, as they are formed by two great river systems, the Indus and the Ganga Brahmaputra. The east-west extent of the plains is about 2400 km and they are about 150 to 300 km wide. They cover the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and parts of Assam. The northern plains are flat level land. Many rivers which originate in the Himalayas go through these plains. They are perennial rivers and have water throughout the year. These rivers thus make the plains rich and fertile. A wide variety of crops grow here. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. The northern plains can be divided into three river basins. You need to focus on these: Satluj Basin, the Ganga Basin, and then Brahmaputra Basin. Satluj Basin lies in the states of Punjab and Haryana. Remember this. The Ganga Basin lies in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. The Brahmaputra Basin, a narrow stripe in Assam. Let us discuss about the Satluj Basin. Satluj is a tributary of the Indus River. The tributaries are Beas, Chenab, Ravi, and Chelo. The Satluj River, after flowing in Punjab and Haryana, joins Indus River, which flows through Jammu and Kashmir. The famous Bhakra Nangal Dam, just remember this, Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built on the Satluj to provide electricity and water for irrigation. This is the biggest Bhakra Nangal Dam. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Satluj, provides water to the dry areas of Rajasthan. The main crops grown in this region are wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. Some of the important cities in this region are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, Ambala, and Amritsar. Next comes Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin. The river Ganga is sacred to the Hindus, you know that. It has its source in the Gangotri Glacier high up the Himalayas and flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. As it flows down the plains, it is joined by its tributaries. These are Yamuna, Ghagra, Kosi, and Gandak. Remember these tributaries and where it flows through. Later, the tributaries from the Deccan Plateau also join Ganga. These are Chambal, Betwa, and Son. Finally, the river falls into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga Basin is the most densely populated part of India. The most important cities in this area are Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Agra, Allahabad, Varanasi, and Kolkata. Do you remember all these? Now next is the Brahmaputra Basin. The river Brahmaputra starts in Tibet. It then flows eastwards and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. It is called the Tsangpo, then Brahmaputra, and finally Padma in Bangladesh, where it joins Ganga. The place where a river joins a sea is known as its mouth. Remember this? What is the mouth? Means the river joins a sea is known as mouth. The river carries a lot of silt which get deposited in the mouth of the river. The forms of triangular shaped island. This forms a triangular shaped island. This island or place is called a delta. Remember this. What is delta? A piece of land shaped like a triangle where a river branches into smaller parts before entering the sea. The delta formed at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra is called the Sundarban Delta. Remember this. This is the largest delta in the world. Which is the largest delta in the world? Sundarban Delta. The importance of the northern plains. The soil of the northern plains is very good for growing crops. So the main occupation of the people here is farming. Most of the Indian wheat and rice is grown in the northern plains. Hence these plains are also called the food bowl of India. There also exists a good network of roads and railways. Okay. Now climate. The plains have extreme climate. Very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Fine. They get heavy rainfall in the monsoon months of July and August. Fine. Remember these. What is called basin? Define basin. A large flat region when small rivers join a large one. What is perennial? Perennial, a river that flows at all times of the year. What is tributary? A river or a stream that flows into a large river or lake. And what is delta? A piece of land shaped like a triangle where a river branches into smaller parts before entering the sea. Now let us see things to remember. The northern plains are located to the south of the Himalayas. The northern plains consist of the Ganga basin, the Satluj basin and the Brahmaputra basin. Small rivers that join a big river are called tributaries. Most of the wheat and rice is grown in the northern fertile plains, so they are called the food bowl of India. Now here are some exercises. Take the correct answer. There is one answer that is correct, like northern plains can be divided into 3 river basins. Okay. And Punjab lies in Satluj basin. Brahmaputra flows into the Bay of Bengal. Like this, you will complete all these exercises here. And the next you can see here true and false. Read them and answer as well. First of all, read the text very carefully, then answer these. And the hot answer is, what do you think? Why do you think that without these rivers, life would not be possible? Yes, of course, there will not be rivers, there will not be water, and life without water will not be possible. Fine. The Ganga is a sacred river, but human activities have made it very dirty. This is very bad thing. People have polluted us. People are throwing so many wastes, garbage or many things in the name of sacred or whatever that makes the river Ganga dirty. How can we save this Ganga? Firstly, educate the people. Spread awareness to the people that this way is not good. They should not pollute river Ganga. And many more to be done to appreciate those who are doing good, those who are stopping, and government also has taken strict rules, those who are throwing this and that and making the river Ganga polluted. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wait for my next videos. Have a nice time. That's all for today.